Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT is on capacity error. Just like any other online services, ChatGPT requires servers to operate. Sometimes the server might be overloaded with the face of high volumes of traffic. In that case, you might go through the ChatGPT is at capacity error. In order to fix the issue, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through the capacity error on your ChatGPT account, then in that case you need to wait it out for a little. After a couple of hours, the error should automatically go away. But if you don't want to wait for that long and you'd like to try fixing the issue, then the next thing to do is to refresh your page. Simply refresh your tab by clicking the refresh icon at the top left, and once you refresh your page, you might be able to fix the issue. If that still doesn't work, then try logging into your ChatGPT account again. Enter your credentials for your account by entering your email and your password. Click on the continue button, and once you're logged in, you might be able to fix the issue. If that still doesn't work, you can also try connecting your computer with a VPN, and connecting to a VPN can get you out of the situation. Apart from that, also try clearing your browser's cache. Go and click on the three dots at the top right of your browser and click the settings button in the pop-up. Click on privacy search and services tab on the left hand side corner. Scroll down to clear browsing data and click on choose what to clear. Make sure to select the cookies and other site data and the cache images and files option in the boxes. Remember that you should not check any other boxes right here, and after you are done clicking these two boxes, click on clear now. Once you clear out your cache and your cookies from your web browser, go back to the login area and try logging into your ChatGPT account and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your ChatGPT is at capacity error. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.